Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Robin Robinson, and I would like to give you my testimony about being a customer of the protection plan. When I started on the protection plan, my credit score was a very low score of 512. As a result of having less than perfect credit, I was not able to get a bank account. I was using a thing that was called Green Dot. Pretty sure a lot of you are familiar with Green Dot as well. I was using a thing that's called American Express Serve. So American Express Serve is like a preload credit card, debit card, whatever you call it. It serves as a credit card, but it's not a credit card. As a result of being on the protection plan, I had 18 deletions out of 23. My credit score went up 308 points. It has absolutely been simply amazing. I can tell you that there's a whole nother world on the other side of having good credit. And it had been so long since I had had good credit, I forgot what it was like. Okay. One thing that has been absolutely amazing was I was able to acquire a Platinum American Express. Excuse my nails, you guys. A Platinum American Express. This has absolutely been amazing considering that I had a American Express Serve, which is not a real credit card. So as a result of being on the protection plan, I was able to obtain a Platinum American Express. Some things that are absolutely amazing about the protection plan is that it is an all-inclusive membership. Some of the things that I like the most, of course, beside the credit restoration, is the living will and trust. Very important in these days. We saw so many people that have passed away and did not have a living will and trust. A living will and trust is extremely, extremely, extremely important. You guys have probably paid attention to the media recently that Vanessa Bryant wanted to add her and Kobe's daughter to their trust and make an amendment to it. So one thing that is absolutely amazing that Kobe Bryant did have that trust in place, okay, which is amazing. Also, I could tell you that one of the other things about the protection plan, it has they give you credit experts, right? A proven track system to advance your credit opportunities, and you can monitor your credit restoration progress 24/7, which is absolutely amazing. I previously had went through a so-called credit repair service, and they took $1,400 of my money, and they were corresponding for about a week, and after that, they disappeared. So I'm so glad that I found this protection plan because it has absolutely changed my life in so many different ways. I'm so glad to be in a position to have a Platinum American Express, as well as being able not to go back to that place of being in debt, not being able to pay that debt off, as well as having good credit. Also, one thing that is amazing too is that they give you smart credit. Smart credit, they monitor your credit. As a matter of fact, I got a call from American Express. I got an email, then I got a call from American Express that there was a charge in the UK. And sorry, everyone who wants to call me on my live. They were reissuing me a card. So that's amazing. Just got that card in the mail again. So this is real amazing. Now I'm gonna tell you something that is amazing too is the financial logbox. A lot of you probably are familiar with FloJo. When she passed away, she knew she had an enlarged heart, but guess what? Her husband could not find her will for 4 years. So that means that her entire estate was in probate for 4 years. So it's real important that these parts of the protection plan are very beneficial for you and your family. I'm so grateful to have found this amazing service that has completely changed my life with my credit. So I'm telling you guys, the protection plan is absolutely amazing. To have my credit score go up 308 points, 308 points, staggering, right? And one thing that is amazing, that during something like this, right, you definitely want to be in the position to take advantage of your credit opportunities. And there will be plenty of credit opportunities with times like this. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys my testimony, tell you some other things about this protection plan that is absolutely amazing. But so glad that I found this service, because it absolutely has changed my life. Okay, you guys have a wonderful evening. This is Robin Robinson. This is my testimony about the protection plan. Bye-bye.